Programmas Avārta nometnē Kandavā šogad pulcējušies jaunieši no 5 valstīm – Latvijas, Lietuvas, Somijas, Krievijas un Luksemburgas. Pirmajā dienā notika svinīgā nometnes atklāšana.
Es ceru, ka ik viens jaunietis, kas ir Avārdā, gūst prieku par savām sekmēm, gūst prieku un gandarījumu par saviem panākumiem, un ik viens gūst lepnumu par padarīto darbu, par spēju pierādīt sev, ka es varu vairāk nekā es varu. Un es ceru, ka šī vasara jums dos jaunus draugus, prieku, gandarījumu un iespēju pilnveidot sevi tālāk.
Visas dienas garumā jaunieši ar dažādu spēļu, rotaļu un uzdevumu palīdzību iepazinās un sadraudzējās cits ar citu, gan latvieši, gan ārvalstnieki.
We like sports. We like sports. We like pyrotechnic. We like music.
I'm 16 years old. I come from Luxembourg. I was born in South Africa. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
What is fun? A word is fun. A word is fun. A word is fun. A word is fun. A word is fun.
Atšakrēja pagājušajā gadā, jaunajā gadu vakarā, kad man čonis vienkārši uzzīmē.
This will be remembered forever.
Pirmo reizi Avārta nometnē viesojās programmas patronese, bijusī valsts prezidente Vaira Vīķe-Freiberga. Viņa kopā ar jauniešiem diskutēja par programmas tālāko izaugsmi Latvijā un tās nozīmi jauniešu attīstībā. Patronesei īpašu dziesmu veltīja programmas dalībniece Signe Novosēlova.
Can Avārta program help to change the values of young people and to make them better?
Most definitely, anybody who follows this program, I think, will be the better for it. And that truly is the reason why I accepted it, because it seemed to me a very sound program in its basic principles, and one that allows a young person to find their own path and to make a lot of personal choices, but at the same time does not leave them alone to flounder and to make sort of trial and error, but to help them along the way. It's a very delicate balance between self-reliance, individual choices and responsibility, which young people enjoy having, but at the same time having something to fall back upon, having some inspiration, having some structure. This is, I think, the advantage of programs such as Avārta. It gives a framework within which you can grow. It's like putting a flower in a pot and giving it soil and watering it and tending it, but the plant, of course, will have to grow on its own.
I can say that Avārta is my lifestyle. It's not just a program, because I'm in it with my whole heart. I am really. And they're my friends. I learn something new. I can help somebody with my knowledge, and that's the main point for me.
The Avārta program is not only a award or certificate or the pins. It's really a lesson which has taught me and is teaching me to be a positive, creative, social, active member of this society. I mean, in this democratic society, you need to be so creative and do each skills and each part of life ahead. And when I was born in Afghanistan, and I moved to Finland at 2012. So 2012 of Yasin and 2012 and Yasin of 2010, there's completely a huge change in me. I can see that revolutionary change in me, and this credit goes to the Avārta program.
Pirmā nometnes diena noslēdzās ar kultūru vakaru, kur katras valsts pārstāvji rādīja un prezentēja savas kultūras īpatnības, kā arī tradīcijas un valsti kopumā.
Finnish sauna, part of Finnish culture. You talk about Finns, if you don't talk about sauna, it's completely stupid. Sauna and Finnish. These two are a combination. It's like hand to hand in Finland. Over 2 million sauna in Finland. Like 2 million people in Latvia, we have the same number of sauna in Finland. So when Latvia came to Finland, so for each one of you, we have a sauna.
As you may see, as you may know, Russia is the biggest country in the world. Each covers 10 time zones and consists of 8 provinces.
Lithuania is member of European Union and NATO since 2020. Lithuanian population is 3 million. Capital is Vilnius. Traditional food is cepelinai. It's something from potatoes.
My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. And I'm from Luxembourg. I live in Luxembourg City. And I've got a lot of friends. I'm 16 years old.